Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. So in today's video we're going to make a drink called Delete That Text. Alright, it incorporates some fresh blackberries, some vodka, some gin, some elderflower liqueur, and some freshly squeezed lemon juice. This should be a really interesting drink, right? So first we're going to go with our fresh blackberries, and it says always fresh. Now how true that is, who knows? It's what they say. We'll go with 4. I remember as a kid finding these wild and just picking them and eating them, right? So we want to muddle our blackberries. This should be a really interesting, fun drink. So next, we're going to go 1 ounce of vodka. Next, we want to go 1 ounce of gin. I'm using this gin because it's more floral. The Japanese Roku gin, it's more floral. We got fruits and we're going to do some elderflower liqueur, right? So we should just enhance the floralness. Next, we're going to do just half an ounce of elderflower liqueur. Just half an ounce. And last, we're going to add 3/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Give it just a little mix. Smell the gin coming through there. Add a little ice. I want to get this good and mixed because I think it's going to be a really good cocktail. All right, we got our rock glass with ice, and we're gonna double strain this, just so we don't get the little blackberry bits. There we go. I should have put my phone on silent, but I didn't. Anyways, here's a Delete That Text. It's a little sour because of lemon juice. Blackberry, everything shines in this. This is a really good cocktail. Guess I gotta keep fresh blackberries on hand now. Anyway, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time, cheers.